What are the top 5 traits of a good Houston motorcycle accident lawyer? Number 1, you want to get a motorcycle lawyer with specialized experience. Maybe they are in a motorcycle gang in their spare time or they drive a chopper. Number 2, you want to get someone with local knowledge of the laws and of the layout of the streets so that they might be able to relate to where the accident happened. Number 3, a lawyer with a history of track record of success. Number 4, a lawyer with a client-centric approach. At our firm, we offer individualized one-on-one attention. If you need me, you can call me on my cell phone whenever you want. Number 5, you want to get a lawyer that has good negotiation and litigation skills. Here at the Rose Sanders Law Firm, I possess a unique quality as I was a former insurance adjuster, so I know exactly what the insurance company needs to see. If you were injured in a motorcycle accident in Houston that was not your fault, do not hesitate to contact the Rose Sanders Law Firm at 713-221-3773.